Hello there, how you doing? Welcome back to How to Cook Great. If you haven't already, please click that button, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up and all that stuff. Okay, we're at the local supermarket here, Asian supermarket, picking up some wonderful stuff. Let's get to the wok and start cooking. So some call it Bok Choy, others call it Pak Choi. There's a few other names for it as well. Okay, so we're going to start off in a wok. 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using corn oil. Get this nice and hot. We're going to drop in about a tablespoon of ginger. If you want, you could add garlic as well. We're going to follow this up with 1 cup of onion, and we're going to cook this for 3 minutes. High heat, stir often. Next up, we're going to add a bit of black pepper. We're going to grab our Bok Choy or Pak Choi. I'm putting mine in completely whole. It's quite small, this one. If you've got a really large one, then you can cut it, but I'm going in with these whole. In they go. Along with 1 cup of water. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. I find that better. We're going to cook that for 5 minutes. You've done it. It's beautiful. Job done. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.